think I know you, brother, very well. No, no, you mistaken me for somebody else. Told your ass to get to walking. Now I think y'all better leave this place. Cause I'm gonna get you again.
Sit there.
It should go. It should end like that. Like that. Because it's just a skit thing.
Right.
And guess what?
It's like a minute 30.
That's all they want to hear.
Exactly. What's that, a minute 30 of it ish? Something like that? Yeah, it's that. That's perfect. Perfect.
And I walk off with Shantae because I do get it in the video, so I should be able to get started. That shouldn't change.
Only thing, the drums gotta have that, you know?
Yeah.
You know,
That,
Shantae to come out and sing it.
right. That drums, J Flood.
Uh-huh.
Saying that drum got to be dramatic. That whole drum thing.
Boom, boom. Your timpanis and, you know what I mean? Like the record, y'all know what to do.